Good morning guys, today is March 26, 2020 and supposedly ngayon sana yung flight namin from here in Cebu to Dubai and to Copenhagen sa Emirates na airlines. Kaya lang it got cancelled again. This is our third ticket na binili namin na got cancelled. But then good thing, yung Danish government ay they made a special flight for Danish people who got stranded here in the Philippines after so much talk of how to get their people back to their country. It's because wala na talagang mabiling ticket and wala na available na ticket, at the same time nagko-close na din yung mga borders ng country, kaya it will be impossible talaga to go home in Denmark. So good thing yung Danish government, they've made a decision na magpadala dito ng special flight, special airplane para sa Danish people. And yeah, it will be on Saturday, March 28. So good thing naman kami ng asawa ko ay we will be on that flight. I hope na walang magiging problema, hindi ma-cancel, ganun. I hope so. So anyway, we will be in that flight. But I'm telling you guys, sobrang mahal ng ticket. Kasi normally, pag nagta-travel kami ng asawa ko, it would cost us maybe around 9,000 pesos both ways. And meaning back and forth na siya, and for 2 people na yon. But this time, yung ticket, ng presyo ng ticket is 10,500 kroner, 1 person, 1 way. So, dalawa kami. So, that's 21,000 kroner. I-times 7 yun na lang sa peso para you get the value sa peso. Ewan ko, kayo namang times 7. So, anyway, yun yung update namin. So, we are happy na makakabalik na din kami sa Saturday para naman maging okay na ang lahat. Because, pag nandun kami sa Denmark, it would be a lot easier to settle yung mga work-related issues there. Of course, I work in a clothing shop and it's closed right now. But, it would be nice to be there so that mo talaga yung update kung ano na mangyayari. So, anyway, yun yung update. So, that's the good news na makaka-uwi kami. But, yeah, but it's really expensive. And that's why it's really important, guys, na when you travel, you get a travel insurance. Kasi nga, sobrang laking pera siya. Not just for me ha, like I think for everybody. So yun, good thing ay may parang savings kami na pwede naming pagkuhanan ng pera na yon. And then once we get back to Denmark, we will process the things and all that so that we will be refunded by our travel insurance. So yun. So maganda siya kasi nga, 'di ba? In times like this, talaga na hindi natin alam na may mangyayaring mga ganito, dapat talaga covered ng insurance. Dapat talaga may travel insurance just in case nga magkaganito or magkasakit, ganyan. So good thing we got it. So we got it covered. So yon, kaya lang happy ako makakauwi kami ng asawa ko, pero sad din ako kasi maiwan ko yung pamilya ko dito, and knowing na kailan ba matatapos to lahat, kailan ba magiging okay to lahat. So of course worried ako para sa family ko because Cebu, nasa Cebu kami, and yung whole family ko nasa Cebu, and then may cases na ng COVID-19 dito, may corona na din, and yeah, at sobrang daming tao dito sa Pilipinas, diba? And naintindihan ko rin naman na even if the government say you're not allowed to go out, there are really people who need to go out. Kasi nga, sabi nga ni Governor Gwen Garcia na may ibang tao talaga na hindi maka-afford na mag-stock ng food sa kanilang bahay-bahay. So, they have to go out day by day to buy food. May ibang tao na afford lang nila 1 kilo a day or ganyan. So, they have to get out and get food. So, yun, pero napakasad lang kasi yung mayayaman, okay lang. Kasi nga, may capability sila na mag-stock ng food, na maging nasa bahay lang, quarantine and all that. Pero yung mga mahihirap na hindi nakakapag-stock ng food, they have to go out and find food or else magugutom yung family nila. Kaya lang talaga guys, I realize sobrang mahirap talaga na maging mahirap, and it's really sad, pero you know, we cannot save the world. We cannot save everybody. So, kung sino man sana yung medyo mayaman-yaman dyan, I read somewhere na it would be nice to actually sponsor a family maybe for a week, you know, budget them maybe 150 pesos a day para sa food nila, just for a week. Kung sino mang mayayaman, just sponsor a, you know, poor family. So anyway, yung family ko din naman, so ano din, kinakabahan na din ako kasi hindi din naman kami mayaman, ano. So kaya ano, pero okay na din somehow kasi nga may rice naman din sila, may mga noodles and canned goods, pero di ba hindi natin alam kung kailan ba talaga ito matatapos. So I just really hope and pray na somebody out there could find a solution to this problem, na ano, makapag-create na ng vaccine para, because really it never in my wildest dream na mangyayari to sa totoong buhay, kasi you see things like this only in the movies, and now it's here, it's happening, and it's killing people, you know. Kaya nakakasad. And kinakabahan ako kasi nga, di ba, mauwi ako doon. Of course, Denmark, madami na ding may cases doon, pero yung government nila, they do their best to help yung mga nandun, yung mga nakatira doon. Pero dito sa Pilipinas, sobrang daming tao, at saka hindi naman mayaman yung Pilipinas talaga. So, sobrang madami talagang maapektuhan. Pero ano bang magagawa natin? Diba? And people say, oh, you just have to stay home, follow. Yes, I understand that people has to stay home to you know, slow down the spread of the virus, pero yung mga maiba talaga na hindi nila afford na nasa bahay lang. So yun, I just hope talaga everybody's gonna help everybody, you know, the one who is capable of helping, sana makatulong sila. So, yon ang update namin, and so far, andito pa rin kami sa hotel, Park Lane International Hotel dito sa Cebu, and first time namin magstay dito, and I like it here kasi yung room nila is my space talaga, na pwede kang umupo, pwede kang, you know, parang may office table na ganito. So, I like it. Sometimes talaga it's okay to pay a little bit more para maging comfortable, kasi dati ano kami sa Metro Park kami nag-stay always, pero yung space doon is like when you get in the door, then it's the bed. So you don't have any other choice. If you're in the room, you lay on your bed. That's it. But in here, there is, you know, there's table, there's places you can sit, and it's big space. You don't feel so suffocated. So yon ang update. And dito sa hotel na to guys, I think for the first 3-4 days na nandito kami, there were only 4 guests na nandito. It's me, my husband, and then there's another white guy, and then there's another, I don't know, Filipino. And then now, there's a lot of Filipinos, because I think the call center agents, their companies are letting them check in this hotel para walking distance na lang sila sa workplace nila. Kasi nga, very hard to take, because of, it's very hard to go from home to work now because of the quarantine, community quarantine, ganon. So, ang dami talagang apektuhan sa ano guys, sa pangyayari na ito. I just really hope the next day when we wake up, everything is, you know, back to normal again.
It's not normal.
And my husband is like, there's no normal anymore.
Oh, he didn't say that. He said that it's not normal.
Shucks. But anyway, I really hope one day, the next day when we wake up, everything's gonna be fine again, and it's like just a dream, a nightmare and all that, and everything gonna be normal again. Everybody can go out and live normally, go to work, and my God, talagang napakahirap na sitwasyon. It makes me realize talaga na poor or rich, old or young or whatever, everybody's, you know, in one click, parang lahat ng pinaghirapan mo, lahat yung mga dreams mo, it doesn't matter anymore. Yun. So yun guys, yun lang yung update ko sa aking buhay-buhay. Maybe next time na mag-vlog ako, andun ako sa Denmark. Thank you so much for watching guys, and I hope everybody take care of each other. Stay safe.
Social distance.
Social distance daw. Hello guys. Suot-suot muna tayo nito. Kasi nga lalabas kami, we have to find food or else magugutom kami today. So yun yung gagawin namin. And then dito pala sa Cebu guys, it is there is a curfew. So 8 in the evening dapat nasa bahay na talaga, but as much as possible dapat talaga lahat ng tao nasa bahay. Pero we have to go out kasi nga we have to buy some groceries. Wala na kami makain dito. And drinks and all that. So it will just be fast. So I got it. First time kong ilagay siya. At saka may eyeglass din naman ako. So yun guys. See you when I see you. And yeah. That's it. And yun pala guys. Thank you so much pala sa pag-support ng... By the way guys, I have to say thank you pala. Thank you so much pala for supporting my channel. And alam ko medyo dumadami-dami na kayo sa comment section. And as much as possible talaga, I also visit your channel. Kaya lang for now, medyo sobrang busy tayo. At saka yung internet connection is hindi masyadong okay. So, ang mangyari is, when I get back to Denmark, I will really try my best na ma-visit ko lahat ng channel na nagko-comment sa aking video. So yun, but it may take time kasi nga madami-dami na rin kayo ng konti. So yun yung gagawin ko as soon as I get back. So yun, kaya sana continue supporting my channel and I will do the same sa inyo. See you.
Thank you so much for watching the video. We really like, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, make a comment on the below pillow or something. Do something with your life. Have a nice day. And remember, rock on, bitches.